My name is Brian, and this is the assembly video for the Mcombo recliner 7091, and this is our navy blue color. When you take everything out of the box, you have this bottom cushion, you have the left arm. This has a bracket, and this has an L for left. And then you have the right arm, and it has the R for right. And you also have the backrest. You also have a power supply, a power supply cord, Y splitter cable, another connection for the battery or for the power box, a DC adapter, some nuts and bolts, and some extra feet, and then a heat and vibration remote. And then to start the assembly, you want to grab the right side arm, and you can tell it's the right side arm by the stickers and also this cable. And you want to line up the brackets on the top. Once they're aligned, you want to slide down and to make sure both brackets are in place. And then you want to do the same thing for the left side. You align the brackets on the top. So this one came out a little wobbly, and that's not how it's supposed to be, so you need to take it off. And now both of the arms are in place. Now to attach the backrest, you lift up the back cover and you're going to see these cables. We're going to connect these later. The bottom cushion has these brackets that align with these brackets right here. And there are these pins to release. And this is how you're going to install it. By aligning with these brackets and then connecting these cables after. So you just want to align the brackets. Once they're aligned, you push from the top. And they should both be in place already. And then from here, you connect the red to the red cable and the white to white. And then we're ready for the next step. Once you have the backrest on and you connected the red and white cables, you have these two remaining cables. You actually want to look down here at the motor, and you're going to see this wire by itself, splitter cable. And the Y splitter has these three ends. You're going to connect this end with the locking mechanism onto the motor cord. You're going to lock that in place. Now you have this other end of the Y splitter that goes to the right side arm. You want to line up the pins, lock that in. This end goes to the power box. So you line that up, lock it in, and then you also have your power cord that goes in here and connects to the wall. And then you'll also receive an extension cord between here and here in case you need a longer extension. So that can be put on the side for now. And then you also have your heating and vibrating remote. That actually connects right here. You want to line those pins up, and the cords will also say top and top. You can line those up. That slides right in. And then the last cable we have to worry about is this black power cable. That connects with this DC adapter. So you connect this here. So at the towards the end, when you have everything connected, you have these feet that come in a separate bag with these nuts and bolts. They actually go right here at the bottom of the frame. There's two holes on each side. And what you want to do is you just line up the holes, run the bolt through the back. And then you have these wing nuts that just screw in place. And you do that to each side, and it just adds more stability when you recline the chair. And then once you do that to both sides, you're pretty much ready to use your chair. Enjoy. So this is the recliner chair at its upright position. You can see right here we have a USB port We have our side pockets, and we also have two buttons right here. If you press and hold this button, you will see the chair starts to recline, and you have to press the hold, and the chair will stop on its own. And this is a max recline position. And then you press this button in the front to lift and to also sit up. You can stop at any position in between. And this is the max lift position.